Hello, food lovers! Welcome to another exciting culinary journey. Today, we journey to India with a recipe loved around the world, butter chicken. This iconic dish is a staple in Indian cuisine and has won hearts globally. This dish is rich, creamy, and bursting with flavor. The combination of tender chicken pieces and a luscious tomato-based sauce is simply irresistible. Whether it's a family dinner or a special occasion, butter chicken is always a good idea. It brings people together and creates unforgettable memories around the dinner table. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this easy-to-follow recipe. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you achieve restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen. This recipe is like a warm hug on a plate. The comforting flavors and creamy texture make it a perfect dish for any time of the year. It's the perfect comfort food, and I can't wait for you to try it. The joy of cooking and sharing this dish with loved ones is truly special. So, let's gather our ingredients and embark on this delicious adventure together. From the aromatic spices to the rich, creamy sauce, every element of this dish will transport you to the vibrant streets of India. Before we begin, let's gather our culinary tools. For this recipe, you'll need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, heavy cream, butter, and a medley of spices. Don't worry, we'll discuss each spice in detail later. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. So, let's chop those onions, mince that garlic, and measure out those spices. Now, the real fun begins. In a large pot or Dutch oven, melt some butter over medium heat. Add finely chopped onions and cook until they turn a beautiful golden brown. The aroma will fill your kitchen, hinting at the deliciousness to come. Next, add minced garlic and ginger to the pot. Sauté for a minute until fragrant, allowing the flavors to meld and bloom. This step is crucial in building the foundation of our flavorful butter chicken. Section 4. Golden chicken, perfectly cooked. Now it's time to introduce the star of our dish, the chicken. We start with fresh, high-quality chicken thighs. These are perfect for this recipe because they stay juicy and tender during cooking. Make sure to pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. This step is crucial for achieving that beautiful golden brown color. Add the chicken thighs to the pot and cook until they turn a gorgeous golden brown on all sides. This process usually takes about 5-7 minutes per side. Don't rush it. The caramelization adds a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. You can also add some onions and garlic to the pot to enhance the aroma and taste. The chicken should be cooked through, ensuring a tender and juicy texture. To check for doneness, you can use a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, you can cut into the thickest part of the thigh to make sure the juices run clear. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pot and set it aside. This allows the meat to rest and the juices to redistribute, making each bite incredibly flavorful. Don't forget to cover it with foil to keep it warm while you prepare the rest of the dish. We'll add it back in later to soak up all the delicious flavors of our creamy sauce. This final step ensures that the chicken is not only tender but also infused with the rich, savory taste of the sauce. Trust me, this will elevate your dish to a whole new level of deliciousness. Section 5. Crafting the creamy, dreamy sauce. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a rich, velvety sauce that will elevate our butter chicken to new heights. In the same pot, add chopped tomatoes and our blend of spices: turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. These spices are the heart of our dish, each bringing its own unique flavor and aroma. These spices add depth, warmth, and a touch of magic to our butter chicken. The turmeric gives a golden hue, the cumin adds earthiness, the coriander brings a hint of citrus, and the garam masala ties everything together with its complex blend. Cook the tomatoes and spices for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. The heat helps release the essential oils from the spices, infusing the sauce with their rich, aromatic qualities. Now, it's time to add the heavy cream, the secret to our butter chicken's luxurious texture. The cream not only adds richness but also balances the spices, creating a harmonious blend. Stir in the cream and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. This step is crucial as it allows the cream to integrate fully with the tomato and spice mixture. resulting in a smooth, creamy consistency. Let it cook for a few minutes until it thickens slightly, coating the back of a spoon. This is the perfect indicator that your sauce is ready, rich and creamy, ready to envelop the tender pieces of chicken. Section 6. Serving your masterpiece. Finally, add the cooked chicken back into the creamy sauce, allowing it to bathe in all the flavors. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a pop of color and a touch of freshness. Serve your buttered chicken hot with naan bread or steamed rice. There you have it, a taste of India in your own kitchen. I encourage you to try this recipe and experience the magic of butter chicken. Bon appétit!